So we have a physics question that says study the mercury thermometer placed in warm water. Now when you talk about a thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of an object or of any other substance. Now we have different types of thermometers, and specifically here we are talking about what? The mercury thermometer. It's called the mercury thermometer because inside this tube here there is what? There is mercury. Now you must understand that mercury is a metal, but it becomes a liquid under the room temperature, which is the one we are using, and it is highly sensitive to change in temperature. Now the question is saying define thermal expansion. Thermal expansion, this is an increase in size of an object due to heat, and such application is mostly seen in a bimetallic strip where two metals have joined together. Due to heat, the other one is supposed to expand, the other one is supposed to contract or to relax. Okay, now this is mostly seen in a pressing iron, so that's a definition here. Now B, what is the temperature shown in Kelvin? Now you must understand that temperature has units. We have degrees Celsius and Kelvin and so on. Now here, as you can see that the temperature is showing what? 50 degrees Celsius, which was the temperature of the what? Of the liquid here. Now the question is saying we need to change this degrees Celsius into what? Into Kelvin, because degree and Kelvin are both units for temperature. So how can you convert? You use this formula. You simply say K is equal to degrees Celsius plus 273 there. Now this is the formula which we use whenever we want to convert between the two units. Now where does 273 comes from? This number comes from the atomic motion, meaning that at that particular number the atomic motion ceases all its movement, meaning at that temperature there is no movement within the atoms. That's where it comes from. So now we simply say equal. So what is the degree Celsius? It is 50. So you put 50 plus what? 273 there. So once you add this plus this, you're going to get 323, which is 4 Kelvin there. Now we go to the last question, and I hope you are following. They're saying what property makes it possible for the thermometer, meaning this thermometer, to measure temperature. So what makes this possible is because of the volume. So volume is the answer here. Now what is volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by the substance. Now as you can see, despite the fact that this here has expanded to this extent, there is still enough space there. So this space or this room creates the chances for this mercury which is in here to expand more. In simple terms, volume determines how far the orbit will expand there. That is why we're saying volume is the property of this thermometer.